Hey y'all, what up? It's your girl Jacque and welcome to another hair video. Yeah, they're coming back to back to back. Today we're gonna make my hair. I'm gonna try and do kinky ombre braids and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna be doing them. We're gonna be doing them together. Let's get onto it. Start off by sectioning the hair. I'm just gonna section it in like 4 sections. First, I don't want to do like a lot of braids. I just want to do like a few, kinder. I think I can do 4 braids in each section. That would make them 16. But extra attention to the front, so I'm gonna do probably more on the front just because of my edges. I just have it in this bun right now. I've been doing bantu knot outs for like the whole week. And I've just been spraying them with a spray bottle with water and coconut oil every night, retwisting, and then yeah, I get to have a nice style the next day. You can see the definition is still there and the hair is still clean because I usually look at the edges part to check whether it's dirty or clean. So this one is clearly clean. Yeah, so we're gonna section the hair now. Try to section. So I'm gonna take Cantu Shea Butter Daily Oil Moisturizer just to kind of moisturize the hair. The first ingredient is water, so I'm not gonna spray my hair with water again. And then I'm gonna like comb it out. Just because I'm gonna like leave it in for quite some time. I'm gonna also go in with this comb. It's just to like tangle further. That definitely feels smoother now. So I'm just gonna like twist it up to keep that section intact. Actually, I'm gonna braid to stretch it as well. So finished. I haven't braided up this section because I'm gonna start with that section. The hair that I'm gonna be using is this darling fluffy kinky. I think it could be used for crochet also. I have this color number 33, which is kind of reddish. I don't know if you can see that. The other one I have is 1C, I think. It kind of just looks like your hair somehow. I already have sections from when I last used this hair to braid, so I'm just gonna demonstrate with one that I hadn't sectioned yet so that y'all see how I'm using it. So this is how the hair comes. So if you want to braid with them, you kind of have to like separate them. So I usually look for the middle like that, and then you just pull it apart. How I'm doing my sections, I'm gonna take this one again and divide it like so. This is kind of like the width that I'm gonna use. Since I'm gonna do like 4, I'm gonna separate it into half again. Then I'm just gonna twist this up because I'm gonna work on it right now. So braid is just much hard. Okay, so these are like the 4 sections. When you separate the halves and then the halves again. So since I want long braids, I'm gonna just take that and add it to the end here to make it a long braid. This is the length ideally, but I want to lengthen them, so I'm gonna join them at the ends there and then take another section and also just join them at the end like that. And then now where they're joined, that's where I'm gonna like make my point of joining. And yeah, now you see that massive length transformation. The one I was showing you with, it looks small right now, but as you braid it kind of stretches. It's actually that long. I'm gonna take that section. I'm gonna like place the hair on top. Make sure my hair is like in the middle, like so. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my hair behind. And then take the other ones behind as well. So now I'm gonna introduce the color number 33 to create the ombre effect. It's not bad. I like it. I mean, I can do the ombre transition. And since it's kinky, most of the mistakes are kind of hidden. I think I'll just go do the rest off camera and then come and show you like a portion of the front when I'm finishing, like tomorrow, okay? It's the next day. Show you all my progress. I would have finished at night actually, but I wanted to show you all how I'm gonna finish them. I ran into a problem. As you can see, there's some here that are completely different color, and this is because I ran out of my black braid. I don't understand because they're in equal amounts. So I think I was using more to start with because the brown one only got like a few portions of the bottom. Yeah, and I think the color of this black one is number 2, not 1C that I was trying to say. I just to finish the front portion, I did section it. I said I was gonna do 4 braids in each section. Some sections that got more, mostly because of the edges section. This time I was really trying to capture my edges because the last time I tried to do my hair, I took big chunks of the front, and then since my edges are really not there, the hairs just kept poking out. I'm gonna take out my sections. I braided them up together to stretch, and then individually they're in twists. Okay, so those are the 3 sections. Actually 4. I have 2 of the black. This one is gonna do 2 braids, and this one is like a half. I'm gonna do reverse ombre of like the brown one and then the black at the end for these 2 sections, and then for this 2 I'm gonna do the twister, the same one. I already like sectioned 1 brown here. I'm also just gonna section this into like 4 small pieces. Take the other one in front and just braid so towards the end I'm just like twisting it to make it easier to take down, because as I said, I'm gonna be reusing these bad boys over and over and over and over again. For my edges section, I'm being extra careful. I'm trying to just pull in all the hairs The only section that's moving is this one that goes that way. So I make a braid assuming this one isn't even there, and then that's when I add it over. Like when you're in a race and then you're rushing towards the finish line. That's how I'm feeling. I'm just shocked with these edges. Like the other times I've tried to do my hair, my edges have just looked like, I don't know. See, man, I have captured all my hair, and what's probably remaining is just those ones that could not be captured. So I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. I'm gonna go in with the Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I did carry my Eco Styler gel, but gel just isn't for me. It's flaky, and you guys know that my edges are usually the first to like get dirty visibly. So if I want to maintain this, I don't want to risk putting gel on my edges. So I don't know how to do edges, so don't you dare laugh at me. Okay, I think that's something enough. I mean, they don't look like they're all over the place. Gonna like keep them in hot water and then spray them. Actually got someone to help me because I mean I'm so scared. So I got my sister and tell me that which was doing this. Actually just makes them less harsh. Thank you, Terry! For the final touches, we're gonna take this olive oil nourishing shea spray. And we are done. Yes! So just look at that ombre effect. Still cannot believe that I have done this. Like, I am in so much shock, you guys. So surreal. And yeah, now time for the beauty short. it for our look. I've always wanted to do such a video. I've done my hair 2 other times, and this is the one that I feel like I'm most proud of. Although all of them I was like, yes, I've done this myself, I'm gonna own it. It looks good to me, even though other people were like, probably doesn't look that good. I didn't mind, but this one's I'm like, oh. Seeing this ombre braids all over, and I was like, I wanna try it. Although I'm not one to follow trends, the fact that I've done it myself, that I didn't go to a hairdresser to get it done, just makes it much more special. Thank you for being part of this journey of making my hair. I hope you liked it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Shout out. Today we're gonna shout out an old subscriber who has kind of gone MIA. This is just to call them out, you know, and remind them that we are still existing. So this is Samuel Ochieng. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for being a supporter. But seriously, where you at? Come back and support us, man. For the rest of y'all, I'll be doing something that will get y'all noticed by me, and I'm gonna get a shout out. Yeah, see y'all later.